stop playing with him.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm JDaVinci. Today's video is like a wig bob, synthetic bob wig transformation. It's actually not necessarily my favorite bob. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of it? But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I made this wig look like this, then keep watching. Alright, so today I'm going to be trying the Stylist bob. It's supposed to be the perfect bob. I got the color number 2. The packaging is super cute. It looks like this, and I ordered it from samsbeauty. It comes with, this is the wig, the Stylist. Alright, so I'm gonna, I don't like the way the inside looks. It's a lot of lace. This is what the wig looks like. I'm about to cut this lace off. Okay, so this lace was really hard, like, so I cut as much as I could off. I don't like leaving lace on, so I cut as much as I could off. So now I'm about to put this wig on my head and I'll be right back. So I could have did with a color number 4. So this is claiming to be the perfect bob. So you got 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna first start off by going in with my handy dandy NARS concealer and putting it inside of the part. And it's like a curved part. I am experiencing some shedding. That's interesting. I am gonna cut this because I am not necessarily digging this cut.
She like me, bitch, I'm drowning in water. I just bought a cube and dipped it in a fountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show, I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch, I'm drowning.
The only thing that I'm not digging is how poofy the hair is. You know, kind of like at the top. I'm about to go straighten this hair so it can get a bit flatter, and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like straightened. What I'm gonna do is go in with my braid sheen. It's for synthetic hair too. I'm gonna just spray some on my hands, kind of just go like that. And then right now I'm gonna go in with my scarf, and then I'm gonna come back and kind of like swoosh some baby hairs. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. We're gonna unleash the beast. So it felt like it slid back a little. So you just gotta make sure the wig is like on your head. It did come with elastic straps, which you could use, but I'm not going to. But what I'm gonna do now is kind of cut some baby hairs on the side so it kind of just looks more aesthetically pleasing. I'm gonna just add a bit. Kevin, can you give me like a, like a clip, a hair clip? Wouldn't even mind if this is kind of tucked on the side, you know. We need a bit more layers over here. So we're going to clip this back with the hair clip. So I'm currently wearing the Stylist wig. I got this from samsbeauty. It's definitely not my favorite personally. I think it's actually kind of bulky at the top. I made it shorter. I actually made it look a bit more wearable, I would say. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for new videos like every single day almost. I wish I could do 3 times a day. That's just asking for a lot, but subscribe because one day we'll get there. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.